is to start with this rain picture, which I found on the internet, and I really liked the look of it and how the rain was splashing the water up. I had no idea where I was going, so after that, I decided I'd start with that picture because I just wanted to build my collage around that. I then found this paper boat picture, which I just loved. It has great colors, and the boat was so cute that I wanted to add it to my collage no matter what. So I decided I'd add the boat onto the water to give it a whimsical and fun feeling to it. And then I added the sunset, which I found was a really nice picture to add because the sun reflected on the water and the ripples just gave it this beautiful stillness, but the rain was like pounding the water, so it was this great balance of motion, and I really liked how it went. So this was my final product, and it had the rain, the sun, and the boat. I made the sun 47% transparent. I erased a lot of the sun picture. I, of course, erased the stuff around the boat. I didn't do much to the rain picture. I kept black borders that were on it. And so this was like my finished product. And I also flipped the boat. The sails were the opposite way and the whole boat was the opposite way, but I wanted it to look like it was going to the right. But I saw it and I thought I wanted something else. So I added more of the same picture, but before I did that, I moved the boat down because it was way too high and it just didn't look good. So I kind of did our side-by-side thing, but I did it like a bunch of times so that I had like 20 different layers on it. That was kind of crazy, but I really liked how it turned out, and I made it so that the boat moved on each one of them. So the movement goes from the left to the right, and then down to the next left one, and then to the right, and then down to the next left one, and then to the right. So it's like moving across the water. And then one of the other things that I decided to do with it was, if you see on the boat, you can see the ripples in like the boat. And yes, that's not the most realistic thing, but I thought, like, as I said before, I wanted a really whimsical collage, so it just added to that whimsical element, that kind of not completely real, but funness. So that was my paper boat collage.